Hi, my name is Gary Frick, and I work for Yamazen Incorporated, and I am the General Manager of the Automation Division. Today we'll be discussing the benefits and features of the FLEX2-R. It is a part of the FLEX2 family that we design and develop here at Yamazen Automation Division. So the family of the Flexes consists of FLEX2-R, FLEX2, and FLEX2 Junior. The FLEX2-R was designed and developed to feed the brother SPEEDIO R450 and R650. The FLEX2-R standard features are Keyence 2D vision camera. Then we also have the correct lighting over the inbound conveyor. And we have a balanced platform between the three, and that is the steel weldmet. Then standard is the stack conveyor. So this is the inbound conveyor where the raw material would come in, and then the outbound conveyor where the finished machine product would go out. We have equipped this cell with dual end of arm tooling, and that is a Schunk product. And then we have also equipped the FLEX2-R with an optional flip over station. This particular unit has a Nachi 6-axis industrial robot. The model is an MZ25. We designed the FLEX2-R with these isolated doors, so you could merely shut these doors and then lock them. And then once this is locked down, the robot knows that it cannot load this machine. So then as I'm in here, an operator can load or unload the parts manually. If we're loading a second machine, a brother R450, R650 on the other side, the robot can load the machine robotically as we are working on this machine manually. The nice thing about the FLEX2-R, as we talked about earlier, it has standard Keyence 2D vision system. The camera takes a picture of the parts coming in the inbound belt, and then it will show up on the monitor. Yamazen Incorporated has invested in inventory on the FLEX2 Junior, FLEX2, and FLEX2-R. The reason for this is we want to minimize the amount of time it takes after purchase order for it to arrive in your door. Thank you so much for the time you spent with us today. We look forward in collaborating with you on your automation needs, and look forward for you to visit us at our Yamazen headquarters here in Elk Grove Village, Illinois.